Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is our first question for online tutorial. Okay. The question is, which one does not explain the concept of independent equation? A. Algebraic equations are independent if we cannot obtain any of the equation by adding and subtracting multiples of any of the others. Okay. The keyword here is cannot obtain. Equations by adding, subtracting multiples of any of the others. Okay, let's say we have equation 1 equals x, and then we have equation 2 equals 3x. Okay, so how to relate between equation 1 and 2? Here we have two ways to relate equation 2 with equation 1. The first one is we can relate by adding x with x 3 times. Okay, also we can take 3 multiples with x. In other, we have multiples x here. We can obtain 3x by adding x plus x plus. Since we can relate equation 2 to equation 1, so it means equation 2 is dependent to equation 1. The question is asking about which one does not explain the independent equation. So later on, if we find something that can be related like this, or in other words, they are dependent to each other, so that will be the answer. Now let's look at the second option. We have x plus 3y equals 8 and 3x plus 9y equals 24, where we can see that 3x can be related to x by multiplying with 3. The same goes to 9y, where we can multiply 3y with 3 to get 9y. We can multiply 8 with 3 to get 24. So in other words, they are dependent to each other because we can factorize them. Become like this: 3 in bracket x plus 3y equals 8. Y equals 8 and x plus 5y equals 1, where we can see that we cannot find any relation between equation 1 with equation 2. So they are independent to each other. So the answer for this question will be B.